Hi, so I'm the quick demo video to showcase the capabilities of the mock interviewing AI software. So I've chosen a topic which was I just typed in entry-level geotechnical engineer, and this is the interview that is designed for me. So entry-level geotechnical engineer analyzing soil and rock samples for construction projects. So I will now start the interview, and there will be an AI that will talk to me and ask questions as a hiring manager. So we can start. Actually, let me start. Let me do a video interview. I'll restart. I can do video interview or audio, so let me select video, and just in case I want to see how I perform later. So,
Hi, how are you?
hello, I'm good. How are you?
I'm doing great, thanks. I'm Samantha Rodriguez, the hiring manager for this geotechnical engineer position. I appreciate you taking the time to interview with us today, Sangwai. Before we dive in, I just want to make sure you are comfortable and ready to go. We'll be discussing some technical topics related to the role, so feel free to ask for clarification or take your time to think through your answers. Let's get started. Can you explain the process and importance of conducting site investigations in Geotechnical engineering, including the types of tests you would perform on soil and rock samples?
Yeah, so it's really important to understand the soil, because depending on the soil properties, we have to design the structure so that the structure down the line does not face issues because of poor foundation design, or poor stress distribution, or issues from water table and so on. So I would run a lot of tests on the soil so I can design my structure accordingly.
That's a good start. You're highlighting the importance of understanding soil properties and how it affects the structural design. Can you be more specific about the types of tests you would perform on soil and rock samples? For example, what kind of in-situ tests or laboratory tests would you conduct? And what kind of information would you gather from those tests?
I think you meant in situ tests, but yeah, I get the question. So basically, I would for in situ tests, I would do SPTs. So I want to understand the strength of the soil, and also collect samples in the process. And then in the lab, I would do a lot of tests like plasticity, grain size distribution, sieve analysis, and hydrometer tests, and I would do shear strength tests and so on. So basically, what I'm trying to understand is what is the soil composed of, and how much of that is water? What is the category of the soil, and how well does it do? What is the load that it can support from the overlying structure?
You're listing out some of the common tests used to characterize soil properties. That's good. SPTSA in SITU tests and laboratory tests like plastic ITY grain size distribution at Terberg limits and shear strength tests can provide valuable information about the soil's composition, behavior, and load-bearing capacity. Let us move on to a scenario-based question. Imagine you encounter unexpected soil conditions during a site investigation that could potentially impact the construction project. How would you approach analyzing the situation and formulating a solution?
Hey, sorry, I was just doing a demo. I need to end this interview now. Thank you.
It was a demo, got it? No worries, it was nice chatting with you for a bit. Feel free to reach out if you need anything else. Have a great day.
Okay, so now it's going to save the interview, and also it will give me a report card, basically. What did I do well, and what can I improve on my answers? A lot of the technical terms, the pronunciation was not accurate, but that can be fixed, in the backend. But for now, you would have noticed that it's not able to say Atterberg limits, or do tests and so on. So this is the report card. I get the audio recording, and also this was the first topic, which was technical knowledge of geosystems engineering. So strengths, demonstrated a basic understanding of the importance of soil properties. Areas of improvement could be improved by providing more detailed explanations of each test, how the information impacts design decisions, and so on. So like I did not complete the interview, but there were 2 more topics in the interview. So and this was the video, so I can watch myself answer the question also. So yeah, I'll stop it now. Thank you.